What are some ways you've been able to do that? Obviously, you have some frameworks and things that you've done, but are there some other tangible ways that you've done that it doesn't matter what the service they may provide, they can actually have much more meaningful relationship to retain customers for the long term?
Yeah, I mean, I think the biggest thing is really truly living into the value of partnership. There's a lot of organizations who throw around the idea of like, I want to be a partner with you, but don't necessarily put the actions behind that.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that that's one of the things that we certainly as an organization strive to do for our clients, but it's also something that they recognize as uniquely different in terms of how we sort of work with them compared to other vendors of a similar like within their organization. One
Mm-hmm.
client said to me once, it's like, you really collaborate with us. You don't collaborate at us like
Mm-hmm.
most other partners that we work with. And so, people talk about, us being an extension to their team, really feeling that, which to me, just that's indicative of what we're trying to create. Because a lot of, I think, the value that we provide to, some of our longstanding clients, like there's aspects of their business that because we've touched so many different parts of their business, myself and other members of my team have a whole breadth of understanding of their capabilities. Whereas like different teams that we're working with, they have a much deeper understanding of the vertical that we're operating in at that moment in time, but they may not have awareness of all these other capabilities that they could tap into. And so
Mm-hmm.
I think like that level of partnership and sort of understanding across the organization also provides just this really powerful ability to make connections that maybe wouldn't be there otherwise. And I really value when those kind of come to bear in a conversation.
If you enjoyed this video, please share it. To make sure you never miss an episode, please subscribe.